lovelies, it's Kia once again from Car Bookkeeping Specialist. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, really quickly, we're going to be talking about who needs to file a self-assessment tax return. So I think we all, at one point or another, just think self-assessment tax return is kind of for just self-employed people. It's almost in the name, I guess. And I think it is a bit misleading sometimes. So I'm going to give you a few more options for who might be required to submit self-assessment tax return. You can see if you're in that list, and then we'll talk about what to do in just a second. So who else does a self-assessment tax return apply to? Limited company directors. So yes, you guys, you do need to file a self-assessment tax return as well, to declare earnings, dividends, things like that, things that are not company related, they're you related, okay? If you're in a partnership, you also need to file for self-assessment. If you're employed and you pay your income tax normally through PAYE, but you've got a change in your circumstances, so that change might affect your tax code, for example, or it might be a change to your personal circumstances that might end up being a benefit to you in terms of tax. You can declare that change for a self-assessment, or you can go directly through your government gateway portal and do it online there. So one of those will be the right way for your circumstances, whichever one applies to you. If you receive income through renting out property, renting out rooms, renting out space in your house, your shed, whatever the case may be, then you might need to be declaring that on a self-assessment. If you earn any untaxed income through, usually this might apply to like cash payments. So if you're taking payments in cash, if you take tips, any income that's not taxed at the source basically also needs to be declared on a self-assessment tax return. Obviously, you know, you've got your £1,000 tax-free allowance, in most cases anyway, but for some cases it's slightly different. So do check out which rules apply to you specifically. If you earn any foreign income that is subject to income tax in the UK, you need to file a self-assessment tax return. And if you're on a higher income, you might be subject to a high income child tax benefit charge as well, or there are some other rules that apply to those high earners. So if you're above the 100k a year bracket, then you also may need to submit a self-assessment tax return. That is a lot of people. It's a lot more people than we thought, and it's still not easy, right? So my advice to you is, if you think you might fall into one of those categories, or you just want to check for yourself, HMRC have done something very useful. They've actually got a small quiz on their website, which I will link in the description box around the video. Go ahead, take that quiz. It takes about 2 minutes. It's really, really easy, and it will tell you straight away, yes, you need to file, or no, you don't. Or if you're concerned, if you've got questions, if you don't want to go and do it through that website, just drop me a call or send me a message. I'll leave my contact details around this video as well. And let's jump on a chat, and then you can ask me directly, and I will let you know with no hassle if you need to be filing or not this year or in future years, whatever the case may be. So I'd really love to hear from you guys. I hope that maybe clarified things a little bit, or at least made you think a little bit that for your circumstances, maybe you need to make a declaration or not. Maybe it helped you out and you don't need to. Anyway guys, don't forget to check the links in the description box around the video, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye.